Welcome to school too.
Like I was saying, if you go to Apapa Wall, you will see Emeka Holdings, Nigeria Limited, Emeka and Son.
So
It is me.
Wow.
I do importer and exporter.
Wow.
Yes, what we are talking about now, all the goods landing the wall, the landing fee is coming to me.
Serious?
Yes, check my ride. This is my ride.
This is your ride?
That is my ride.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Yeah, that's the
Wow.
thing. That's
Range Rover?
That's how we roll.
Ah. Oh my God.
Yes, yes. So what is there that you have to follow me?
Okay.
When you follow me, I will make sure I will give you everything you want.
What about what you promised me now?
I'm telling you. Hey! Hey!
My bag! My bag! My bag! Chief, you have killed me!
Hey,
Police!
police,
My
police,
bag! My bag! My bag!
I will take care of that. Don't worry.
Chief, you should have held the bag tight now.
Don't worry. Give me the money that's inside.
Yes, now.
I will take care of that. Just enter inside. Enter inside. Let us go. Just enter inside. Let us go. Just enter like that.
Yeah. Be school too. Naja we day. Welcome to school too. Welcome to school too.
If I give this man this money, let's start taking. No. You are a junior officer. I know. Let's check what's inside. Okay. I say you are a junior officer. Okay. This is not money matter. Adwaya. Okay, no flag. Adwaya, no money matter.
Welcome to school too.
We are doing like this.
Welcome to school too. School too.
I'm supposed to make our
Jesus Christ!
we don't make
Zachariah. What is wrong when I run?
Even my brother.
No bastard. Mazi make am waiting call himself fool. We go charge that man for illegal possession of fake property.
Naja we day.